Hello guys, welcome back at Son of the Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Thrustmaster T80 pedals not working. Also, before we start, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. So if you're looking for a fix here, just in case your pedals are not working, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. So here's what you need to do first. So first is you want to check the red power light on your wheel here. So in this case, when it's actually plugged in. Now, if that light isn't actually on, the wheel isn't getting power. So try plugging it into a different USB port or check your cables. Now, the T80 wheel actually has two modes here if you're not aware yet. So first is the gamepad mode here and the racing wheel mode. Now, sometimes one mode works better for your console or game, so the pedals might not work right, so if you're in the wrong mode. So in this case, try switching modes here. Now plug the wheel from your console, then press and hold the PlayStation button on the wheel. While holding it, plug the wheel back into the console USB port. Now when it's plugged in, release the button briefly and then press and hold it again to log into your profile. After the light on the wheel shows it's in the correct mode, release that button and that's it. This usually gets the pedals working because it switches the wheel to the right mode here. Now if you're still not sure which mode to use, check your wheels manual to see which mode fits best with your setup. And that's really the main fix here. Now make sure the wheel's powered, then switch the modes using the PlayStation button in this case like we just discussed before. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Son of the Inspo. Thank you for watching.